Home Show.
Larry from Baytown has a question about tabletop restoration.
Yeah, it's his table has suffered some damage, Tom. He's trying to undo it. He's looking for your help. Larry writes, how do I remove water rings from a chalk painted table? You know, the chalk paint? He says, It was waxed and maybe I didn't wax it well enough, he says. What is the best top coat to prevent this from happening again? So I guess it's a two-part question. How do I get rid of the ring and how do I finish it again to keep from getting it again, Tom?
When you get rings in stained wood with lacquer coatings and stuff, you can get water stains out. But with paint, you can't get them out because what you've done is you've destroyed the pigment of the paint, whatever the water was or whatever was on the glass. So you're going to have to repaint it maybe with a chalk paint and paint it again. That's all I can tell you when it comes to paint. Now, to avoid the problem, if you're going to repaint it and you want to just restore it back to its original look, then don't use a wax. Use a clear acrylic on top of the paint. It's what we use in the industry for putting over murals and things like this, things that were done with paint. A big mural by my pool that was all covered with clear acrylic, and it's 20 years old now and it still looks brand new. It doesn't yellow, it doesn't peel, and it can be reapplied if you ever need to, just a clear acrylic. And it's really good at protecting from water stains. So I'm not sure about the water stains on the chalk paint because when paint gets marred, it's usually because of the pigment and it just has to be recoated and repainted. But the clear acrylic is a much better thing to use than wax. Wax is not what should have been used to stop water rings for glasses. That's when you have to get those really expensive, very chic coasters.
Okay.
So my wife won't yell at you.
So the future, so Larry's future involves him going and probably roughing that up and painting it again and then putting that acrylic on top of it.
Clear acrylic. It's water-based. It's not a urethane. It's none of that stuff. And you don't even know it's on. You can get a matte finish so the paint keeps its same look. But I tell you, a couple coats of that, and it's wonderful for furniture.
All right. You got a question, we'll help you out. See, we can help you with furniture and stuff. Tom knows a lot about everything, and that's why he's been on the radio for 34 years?
I'm in my 34th. Let's say 33.
Okay, 30. Actually, about a third of the way in, so you're 33 and a third, which means you're big and round with a little hole in the middle.
At least I'm not a 78.
That's it. Well, hopefully we're hanging in there for that one. All right. And if you keep sending us questions, we'll keep going. Go visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on the Ask Tom button. Fill it out, send it in, and we'll post an answer just like this right there on the website. We post one every day, and on our Facebook page and our YouTube channel. If you want to know when a new one is going up, you should subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell, and you'll know.